20 simple strategies to make a girl fall for you. Have you ever found yourself asking, how can I make a girl fall for me? Whether you're hoping to capture her attention or deepen an already budding relationship, there are strategies that can help you win her heart. But remember, while there's no magic formula to make someone fall in love, these tips are sure to guide you in the right direction. From becoming a better version of yourself to maintaining a healthy and respectful connection, here are 20 effective ways to make a girl fall for you. 1. Work on yourself and have your own life before anything else. Focus on your personal growth. A woman will be more attracted to someone who loves their life and is working towards personal goals. Passion and independence are magnetic qualities. So, pursue your hobbies, focus on your career, and create a life that doesn't solely depend on her for happiness. Remember, confidence stems from self-love and self-worth. 2. Be optimistic. Girls are naturally drawn to people who exude positivity. Complaining, being negative, or focusing on problems will only create distance. Instead, be the person who looks at the bright side of things, even during challenging times. Optimism isn't just about being happy-go-lucky. It's about having a mindset that life's obstacles are temporary and can be overcome. 3. Keep the conversation going when you talk to her. Aim for engaging, thoughtful conversations. Keep the dialogue flowing by asking questions about her interests, sharing personal stories, and offering light-hearted humor. Avoid making things too serious, especially in the beginning. The key is to keep things interesting and playful while getting to know each other better. 4. Respect her as an equal. Respect is fundamental in any healthy relationship. Treat her with the same regard you would give anyone, regardless of gender. Acknowledge her thoughts, opinions, and goals. Avoid trying to control or dominate the relationship. Show her that you value her as an individual, not as someone to be won over. 5. Be her friend and make it fun before diving into romance. Establish a genuine friendship. Get to know her on a deeper level. When she sees you as her confidant, someone she can share her thoughts with, the bond will grow stronger. Being a good friend first often leads to a deeper, more meaningful connection later on. 6. Be anything but clingy. Insecurity is a huge turn-off. While showing interest is important, avoid overwhelming her with constant attention. Give her the space to miss you. Texting her too often, following her on social media obsessively, or always needing to be in constant contact can drive her away. Let the relationship develop at a natural pace. 7. Take it slow. Things will fall into place. Don't rush things. Real relationships take time to grow and deepen. Avoid trying to force her into a relationship or pressuring her for more than she's comfortable with. Instead, let things unfold naturally. Patience is key when it comes to relationships, both for her and for you. 8. Don't make yourself too available. While it's important to show interest, avoid making yourself too available. If you're constantly there when she needs you, she may begin to take you for granted. Let her initiate plans occasionally. Create a little mystery by not always being at her beck and call. 9. Be chivalrous. Good manners and respect never go out of style. Hold the door open, listen attentively, and be courteous. Chivalry doesn't mean doing everything for her, but it's about demonstrating that you value her as a person. Small acts of kindness will never go unnoticed. 10. Give her all your attention when you're together. Be fully present. Put away distractions like your phone, and focus on her. Listen actively when she talks, offer genuine feedback, and show that you care about her well-being. Attention and thoughtfulness go a long way in making her feel special. 11. Be well-groomed. First impressions matter. A well-groomed appearance shows that you take pride in yourself. Dress well, maintain good hygiene, and make sure you look your best. You don't need to be a supermodel, but attention to detail in how you present yourself shows self-respect and confidence. 12. Stay connected even when you're not physically together. Maintain a connection. Whether it's sending a thoughtful text, making a phone call, or just checking in on her, staying connected helps reinforce the emotional bond. It shows that you're thinking about her, even when you're apart. 13. Accept her the way she is. The most powerful way to make a girl fall for you is to accept her as she is, flaws and all. Avoid trying to change her or expecting her to be someone she's not. When she feels truly accepted, she'll feel more comfortable being herself around you, and that's when deep feelings of love begin to grow. 14. Befriend her friends. Her friends and family can play a significant role in how she views you. Making an effort to build rapport with her friends will show that you care about the people who matter to her. It also helps to have her friends on your side, as they'll likely influence her opinions about you. 15. Show her off when you're together. Show her off. Introduce her to people in your life with pride, and make her feel like she's someone you're excited to be around. Publicly acknowledging how amazing she is will make her feel appreciated and loved. A little public display of affection never hurt anyone. 16. Create intimate moments. Create moments where you can connect emotionally and physically. Hold her hand, share a deep conversation, or simply cuddle. Emotional intimacy lays the foundation for physical intimacy, and it's crucial for building a lasting relationship. 17. Make her feel special. Often you don't have to buy her expensive gifts to make her feel loved. Simple gestures like writing a thoughtful note, planning a spontaneous date, or simply complimenting her can make her feel valued. Show her that you appreciate her and that she's special to you. 18. Be loyal. Loyalty is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. Be honest, be trustworthy, and be supportive. Prove that you're someone she can rely on, no matter what. Emotional support and loyalty go hand in hand, and they are essential for building a strong relationship. 19. Make her feel secure. She should feel safe and secure in the relationship. Be a good listener when she shares her insecurities, fears, or concerns. Never take her feelings for granted. When she feels secure in your love, she'll be more likely to let her guard down and fully commit to the relationship. 20. Express your feelings and nurture the love. Last, but certainly not least, express your feelings openly. Share your hopes, dreams, and emotions with her. Don't just show love, speak it too. This not only deepens the bond, but also allows her to feel the same way in return. When both partners nurture the love, it has the power to flourish. Conclusion. While there's no magic trick to make a girl fall in love with you, applying these 20 simple strategies will certainly help you win her heart. It all comes down to being yourself, treating her with respect, and creating a meaningful connection. Relationships take time, patience, and effort, but by following these steps, you're sure to increase your chances of building something lasting and beautiful. So, what are you waiting for? Start practicing these strategies today, and watch your relationship grow. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.